Well?
Sasuke triumphed in the battle. Itachi Uchiha is now dead.
What? I don't believe it!
Kidding.
It's just as I expected. We're just going to have to finish this some other time.
Who in the world is he?
Later. Am I perspiring? No. It's just the rain. These fools could never make me